Yo, what is going on YouTube? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get free daemon keys in Geometry Dash using a working code. Now, guys, these working vault codes or wraith codes are super easy, or wrath codes, I should say. Really easy, guys. These are going to get you 100 free keys in Geometry Dash, and it's 100% working in 2026. I spent a long time searching Google and also watching YouTube videos. And guys, there's not many working methods to get keys in Geometry Dash. I'm going to be showing you how to get 100 free daemon keys. Before I show you guys this, make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I do plan on making more tutorials. So let's get into it. You need to use your mobile phone internet browser. Now, it doesn't matter if you play on PC or iPhone or Android. You just need to use your mobile internet to get your code, and then you can redeem it in the vault wherever you play. Go to www.coldcoupons.com. So go ahead, type it exactly like this. And what it's going to do, guys, it's going to bring you to this website here. Now, they have tons of different game codes on here. They have mostly console games. They do have PC games and phone, mobile games. So you just got to use a search bar, basically, guys, to find the Geometry Dash page here. Now, there are a few different codes, and these are really popular. Like I said, I did actually find this in another YouTube tutorial, but it didn't have many views, so I thought I'd recreate it. So what you're looking for, guys, is this one, the Geometry Dash 100 free daemon keys. So this is a code, guys. So this is a code you can enter into the vault, or wrath codes, I think they call them. I'm a new player to Geometry Dash, hence why I'm trying to get free keys, and this actually worked. So yeah, you just redeem it in game, and it is going to supply your account with the keys. So basically, you need to reveal your vault code, and this is completely normal. This basically stops people from getting more than 100. Obviously, there are like 500 codes remaining, so it basically stops someone from taking all of those. So you need to click on get full code, and you're going to see this page here that tells you how to get your Geometry Dash code. It says complete 2 of the offers below. Now, basically, guys, this took me about 5 minutes. Like I said, I did this earlier. They're all completely free, these tasks. You just need to choose 2 of them and make sure you follow the unlock instructions below each app. So you can see there is some instructions. They're completely free, and they're super easy, guys. They're just basically installing and opening mobile apps. Just make sure you do read the text, because that tells you how to do each one. So just complete 2 of them, and it will redirect you back to Cold Coupons, and your Geometry Dash code will be revealed, and you redeem it in the vault, and that is going to get you 100 free daemon keys. So that is going to save you so much time and so many orbs. So that is it, guys. Go to Cold Coupons. If you need any assistance, let me know, but it is pretty easy if you just follow through all of the instructions. But yeah, that is how to get free keys in Geometry Dash working in 2026. Make sure you like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.